What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. How are you today? Today is my husband's actual factual birthday. Hey, so we're gonna be sneaking around to get him a gift. He will ruin his own surprise. It's a fucking task to get around to do anything, because when you doing birthday shopping and with all the technology these days, like the tracking on the car, tracking on our phones, tracking everywhere, and it's like any second he could just be like, where's she at? And just look and boom, why are you here? Why are you there? So we're gonna cross our fingers that we pull this one off. He's on his way home to get some lunch, and so I already warmed up his lunch. I'm gonna stay till he gets here. Then I'm gonna go. We're gonna go and get him a gift. So stay tuned. Look, it's pouring rain.
I do.
It is pouring rain outside, and it's not stopping no time soon. So we just gonna have to go with it. I just don't know why it has to be pouring rain today. What?
I can run in the rain.
No, buddy, we're not gonna run. We're just gonna walk fast.
What time if we got wet and you got walk board and it was going slow?
Huh? So we will see y'all when we get to our next stop. So we're pulling in to where we were going, which the kids don't know. And look who's pulling out.
Daddy.
That's all bad.
Surprise!
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my God, how does that happen?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What the heck?
I cannot. If I was 2 minutes down the road, he would have never saw us, bro. Now he knows, guys. So I might as well go on and tell you. We're at the gun store getting him a nice gun for his birthday.
Mommy, luckily he doesn't know what kind of gun we're getting him. Yeah, he don't know.
That ain't the point. The point is he's supposed to not know nothing right now.
Okay.
Anyway, bro, nobody told him he was going to this store right here. He went to Dollar General. He ran in there, and what do you know? They was closed. So if he would have been in the store or anything, we probably wouldn't have crossed paths.
Oh,
Ain't that something?
That's funny. But we're not going. We all go back home.
Now we got to go all the way through with it. Well, I guess he'll be surprised. Yeah, what he gets. All right, we'll see y'all when we get in the store. We are looking for a AR-15, AK-47. All their cases are like empty. Look at that. Ooh.
Mommy,
yes?
we need to get one.
Buddy, I know, but we haven't found it yet. Come on. You'll know when we find it.
What? It's dirty. Oh, Mommy? These guys are tall.
I know, they're taller than us.
They're taller. Dad. My mom's taller than Dad.
No. This is right up Daddy's alley.
Which one?
I don't think none of these are
Mommy,
it. Huh?
Can I touch the head?
What head, buddy?
That head?
No, buddy, you can't even reach that.
Oh, Mom, that scared me. It's probably a big werewolf. It's dead. Yeah, did you know there's a werewolf? Pink and purple and blue gun.
Uh-huh.
I think Dad would love that.
No. I think y'all would love that.
I'll go get one.
Not yet.
Why? Why?
Okay, we're trying to find something.
Mommy.
Yes. That one is okay, but I don't like the blue, but it's not for me, so gotta remember that. Hey, what's the problem? That one's okay. Like that one. But I think...
Right there, it's on top of you.
Look at this. Look at these little guys right here.
Whoa.
Big guy, you want that one, big guy?
Big guy.
Want that one?
You're not going to do dangerous for kids, right?
Big guy, what are you thinking?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
It's so small, big guy. But when we move, we'll have to train you with something. We gotta train you with something. Hey, stop playing. These remind me of like the freaking cowboy gun.
No gun.
Like, that's huge. 44. Okay, let's go. I think I picked one. I think we picked one. They are empty in here. Really loaded down. Well, I don't come in here regularly. Last time I was here, it was probably like 3 years ago. Come on, let's go. Okay, I want that one we talked about over there.
Okay. We'll go up front and get the paperwork done.
Okay. Big man, you don't look happy. Are you tired? Tired. This way.
Yeah.
This is the best one for that gun that I have right now.
Okay. So what do
You look through that, you pick up a green circle.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Wherever that circle and dot is, that's where you're going to fire. And you're not having to kind of concentrate on a straight line. You can have your head off to one side, and that's where.
Just basically kind of makes it easier.
Yes, ma'am.
What's in there? Bullets. Say yes or no. Say yes or no.
Bullets. We are headed home. So we saw my husband earlier, and he went back home. He said he was going back to work. He ain't even go. So he's at home. So I have everything. I have the little cake and everything. It's his own personal cake, and the kids have cupcakes. So now I'm headed to get dinner. I'm not going to tell y'all what we're having. I'm going to let you see what we're having. And you're going to be shocked because we didn't want to, you know, take the kids out longer than they have to be. Those, you know, that type of thing. So, I ordered it in. I got to ride across town. But it's worth it. This is our little birthday dinner situation. Riley fell asleep when I went to go get the food. We got the ribeye, the cream spinach. This is some fancy green beans, fancy potatoes, fancy mushrooms, ribeye, and but this is only a birthday special because you know we haven't eaten meat since it'll be 3 months in a couple days. And then this is my husband's his little birthday cake, and then we got cupcakes for the kids in here, and this is his gift.
God bless you so sweet.
Oh. Alrighty here.
Big guy, you want to taste the mushrooms or no?
This
No,
is.
thank you. Look at that.
They want the meat. This right here is a truffle butter. You know, back in my butter days, I used to cut up.
Oh, here we go.
You want some of this?
Yeah. Wait. Look at you.
I'm over here trying to grab a plastic fork. I
The
know.
hot sauce.
No, sir. A1. A1 best
Hey,
one.
hot.
You got.
When the last time? Was it? No, it wasn't even New Year's. It's been like a year.
It's crazy. It's a long time to taste the meat. It's strange.
I'm like not even pressed. That's solid.
Open this one first.
No, open this one first.
Dad, open this one first.
Why, big guy?
Open it now.
Oh my, wait.
Said now, Dad.
Ah, get it.
Please. Don't open it now. I'm tired. Oh, yeah, Dad, we saw like stuff. Down the top.
Oh.
Down, wrap it.
No, help me in what?
No.
Whoa. Oh, we gotta open the wrap.
Don't act like you're surprised at all. I said, don't act like you're surprised at
I
all.
wonder what this could be.
Dad, you don't know?
No.
I don't want to say.
You don't want to tell me?
No, maybe I think.
I got some
You can
good.
take. Let's open this bad boy up. Dad, look, it's the gun.
What is it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is brand new, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see what we working with.
Come on.
We seen some in there for Buddy like this big. I was like, Buddy, what you think
That
about
was
that?
cool.
Uh-huh. He said, ooh, I like it.
Get this bad boy out.
This bad boy
It
out.
is a bad boy, Buddy.
Get this bad boy
It's a
out.
shotgun.
Not a shotgun, Buddy.
Whoa. Dad, don't try it in the house right now.
Man, I was never.
And the whole time we were in there, Big Man's like, don't pull the trigger. Don't pull the trigger.
Daddy.
There
And
we go.
Dad, it was practicing. And there was no kids around.
Yeah. Is that when we were leaving, Buddy said, we're not going to try it out.
Get in.
You're allowed to go in with kids. You just, yeah. Matter of fact, it was, they parents was in there shooting and they kids was sitting in their seats.
Don't blast. Don't blast.
Don't blast.
No.
Buddy, never. We would never, Buddy.
Blast. Don't blast.
That's just for,
And Daddy.
nigga.
Still at the store. Daddy. And something caught a fish. Daddy.
Lex,
it's a bear.
you all right with me?
Oh, the light. The detail on
I
it.
want.
So what kind of gun is
Don't
this?
blast.
AR-15, baby.
How do you know that?
How do you know that?
And Daddy.
We got
Daddy.
three in my life.
And Daddy. The shotgun is a little powerful.
Yeah.
I guess we're gonna have to get some shotguns when we move.
No, that's a shotgun.
Oh
So
well.
Lex, we gotta go out and test this.
Oh, Daddy, ammo. Daddy, ammo. Get the ammo.
I need some ammo.
Yeah.
Jeez, buddy.
That's
You got me plugged in, huh?
actually
Got
Mommy
ammo.
did.
Win the game.
Yeah, one is for the other one, and they can only sell one box because there's a shortage on guns and ammo.
What?
Because I went to 2 stores
That
and
one is
serious?
they actually I called 3 and they all said because
a
of
shortage on ammo.
COVID that everybody's buying up the guns and the ammo.
Well, we need to get started.
We are.
Yeah, we need to get busy then.
Mommy.
I can't believe that.
Yep. I'll
Mommy, time to eat the cake?
yeah, the footage, the happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Dad, wish first, Daddy.
Yeah, make a wish.
Made a wish.
What was it?
I can't tell you. It wouldn't come true.
It will.
Guys, this might not look like much, but the recipe is
That
amazing. You haven't had it, but
That wasn't.
What?
It will come true.
so that was today's video. Did you like the dinner?
I loved it.
Was it worth the money? And was it worth your
I don't know if it was
street?
worth the money.
It wasn't worth. We didn't finish, so we'll be eating it later on tonight.
I don't know.
He be hitting up the kitchen in the middle of the night.
I do.
But thanks for watching. Wish him a happy birthday. And we'll see you in the next video.